Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPC GCA. आज हम पढ़ेंगे General Characters and Classification of Mollusca. Mollusca means soft-bodied animals. Body is soft and non-segmented. Triploblastic, non-segmented, bilaterally symmetrical body. Body is covered with calcium carbonate shell. Mantle secretes calcium carbonate. Muscular foot is present, which is used for locomotion, swimming and burrowing. Body cavity is degenerated, present in the form of pericardial cavity, gonocele and rhinocele. Head is present, tentacles, mouth and sense organs are all. Digestive system is complete. Digestive glands, liver or hepatopancreas is present. Radula is present in alimentary canal. Circulatory system is open type. Myogenic heart on dorsal side. Myogenic heart means beat can start from muscles. Blood is colorless or blue colored. Hemocyanin present. Copper is present in place of iron and carry oxygen, perform function like that of hemoglobin. Respiration by gills, skin and lungs. Excretion takes place by paired metanephridia or kidneys. Pogenous organ, Kaber organ are also present. Eyes, balancing organ, statocyst, tentacles, ospiridium are also present. Ostridium is chemoreceptor. Sexes are separate. 1, 2 or 4 reproductive organs are present. Reproductive glands are also present. Fertilization is external or internal. Egg-laying animals means oviparous animals. Cleavage is spiral. Development is direct or indirect. Trochophore larva or veliger larva are present. Clostridium larva is also present in some animals. These animals are terrestrial or aquatic. Now comes outline classification of Mollusca. Mollusca phylum is divided into 6 classes based on foot structure, position, respiratory organs, mantle and shell. Number 1, Monoplacophora. Second is Amphineura. Third is Scaphopoda. Fourth, Gastropoda. Fifth, Pelecypoda. And sixth, Cephalopoda. Number 1, Monoplacophora. Living in sea. Body is segmented. Body bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic. Unilimpet shaped coiled shell. Present on dorsal surface. 8 paired segmented muscles and plates are present. 5 pair of gills or clones are present. 6 pair kidneys are present. Mantle wall present. Radula present. Annelida and Mollusca, both characters are present in Monoplacophora. So it is connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. Example is Neopilina. Second, Amphineura, living in seawater. Body is flat and oval. Flat foot is present on ventral surface. 8 plate shell present on dorsal surface. Eyes and tentacles absent on head. Mantle and radula are present. Fertilization is external and development is indirect. Trochophore larva is present. Example is chitin. Third, Scaphopoda, living in seawater. Body is tube shaped. Shell is present. Both sides open. Head and eyes are absent. Cone shaped foot present. Tentacles around mouth. Gills are absent. Paired kidneys are present. Heart is vestigial. Unisexual. Development is indirect. Larva is trochophore larva. Tusk shells are present. Example, Dentalium and Cadulus. Fourth, Gastropoda, living in seawater. freshwater or terrestrial, torsion in cell, coiled shell, head, eyes and tentacles are present. Foot is well developed, ventral, flat and crawling, ctenidia and pulmonary sac for aquatic respiration, 1 to 2 kidneys for excretion, unisexual or bisexual, development indirect, trochophore or veliger larvae are present. Examples are patella, pila and cypria. Fifth, Pelecypoda, Lamellibranchia or bivalvia, living in seawater or freshwater, body closed in two-valved shell, eyes, head, tentacles, jaws, radula are absent, foot is sickle-shaped, respiration by gills, thin and plate-like, filter feeders, unisexual, development is indirect, Glochidium larva is present. Sixth, Cephalopoda, living in seawater, body is bilaterally symmetrical, increased in dorsal and ventral sides, shell external or internal or absent, head is big, clear, eyes are present, mouth present and radula. 8 to 10 arms are present around the mouth. This is very special character. Circulatory system is closed type. Commissure is present on head. Gills are present for respiration. Unisexual, larval stage absent. Octopus, devilfish, sepia, cuttlefish, loligo, squid are examples. Thank you.